Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I want to talk a little bit about prospecting for expireds. Why do you think your house didn't sell? What could possibly be a worse question to ask a seller who has expired? Now think about it. Their house left the market unsold. The realtor, who's supposedly the professional, calls them up and says, "Why do you think your house didn't sell?" And of course their answer would be something like, "Well, maybe it was because you nitwits didn't sell it when it was for sale," or something like that. The secret to sales is not asking bad questions that cause you to have a lot of objections that you have to overcome. It's about asking smart questions. If you're the real estate professional, you should know why their house didn't sell. A better question, I would never ask this either, but would be, "I know exactly why your house didn't sell, Mr. Seller. Do you?" Now, here's the reason why their house didn't sell. Their house didn't sell. It wasn't because it was overpriced. That might be a part of it, but the reason their house didn't sell is because it was invisible to the one buyer on planet Earth willing to pay more for their house than anybody else in the whole world, and probably the top 100 buyers. Now that might have been because it wasn't on lockbox, it might have been listed in the wrong zip code or school district, it might have been overpriced, but don't say it was overpriced because then the seller doesn't like you. Remember, it didn't sell because it was invisible to the one buyer in the whole world willing to pay more for their house than anybody else in the whole world, and probably the top 100 buyers. So I hope you use the Fearless Agent dialogue when you're calling expireds. That will help your cause. If I can ever help you in any way, go to fearlessagent.com, give me a call, love to talk to you. Want to do a free coaching call for an hour, love to help you with that. Go to any of our coaching programs, group, one-on-one. Go to fearlessagent.com today and let us help you become a fearless agent. Thank you.